What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Today we have a review from Ridge. This is the Ridge Toiletry Bag. Bam, right here. Look at that. Comes in a nice plastic bag. I've looked everywhere for a review on this. I could not find one, so I decided to get one for myself and find out what this toiletry bag is all about. Very nice material here. It is waterproof according to Ridge. They do have waterproof zippers all around, and you do have plenty of compartments here. You do have a back compartment here. You can stow away some stuff. You also have a bigger compartment here for maybe like your shampoos, deodorant, or anything like that. And you do have a built-in hook. This is the reason I was looking for a review, because no one mentioned that it had a built-in hook. This thing opens like that, and you can go ahead and hang it from any hotel restrooms. If you're out and about in the wilderness, you can just hang it like that and then have all your necessities here packed away very neatly and nice. You do have a Ridge logo right there. It says Ridge Waterproof Series, and it has a snowflake, sun, and a water drop there. But you do have plenty of compartments here to stow away your stuff. You have a bigger zipper right here, bam, as you can see, and you do have a big old portion there. Maybe put some combs, something in there as well. Then you have these little mesh pockets here that you can stow away other stuff. These almost open, they zip, and then they kind of half dome open, so you can get better access. This is like a toothbrush compartment here, or like some combs or anything like that. I think I'm gonna put my toothbrush in there. And then going down to the bottom, you do have other compartments here to put like Q-tips or floss or anything like that. This one right here seems like it might be perfect for like a razor or anything like that, but the zippers work just fine. They zip nicely together like that. Bam, bam, bam. Let's go ahead and put it away. Boom. And then this one zips away as well. So plenty of compartments there. And this one, these outer zippers are YKK. I think they're white. Let me see. Can't really look. They're YKK zippers, so you're gonna get extremely well. And you have two zippers here, so you don't have to zip from one way like that. And you do have that nice waterproof seal on all the zippers on the outer side. The hook nicely stows away into the pocket, and this one's only one and one here. Bam. And this is what it's looked like. So let me go ahead and grab some items and I'm gonna grab my old toiletry bag and see if I can fit what I have there in this one and see how bulky it gets, because if you have nothing on here, it's pretty flat. So let me go ahead and grab my toiletry bag real quick. And this one is my old toiletry bag. As you can see, it's pretty full compared to how thin this one is right now. But this is a Columbia one. Same kind of system. It has a little plastic hook so you can hang it. And it does have one outer bag here, which I have a razor from, is it Harry's? From Harry's. Some Kingsman Beard Club wax and beard butter, some Neosporin. I don't know why I have some Neosporin in there. And then let's go ahead, and that is the only compartment out here. This one gives you one as well, but it gives you an extra one as well. So as you can see, this opens up as like so. You hang it from there and you have your compartments. I do have some Mando deodorant, and then this one comes with a built-in toiletry TSA compliant bag, a couple toothbrush, some Old Spice Swagger shampoo, travel size shampoo, that goes right there, two toothbrushes, some beard combs, some floss picks, and some Q-tips. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can stow that into this and see how bulky it gets. But so this outer bag here, I'm just going to go ahead and stow this in here. Probably throw that in there as well. Fits very nice. Just go ahead and zip that back up. Let's go ahead and open the main compartment. And in here, I'm probably going to put, I wish they had like a dedicated toothbrush section, but I'm going to put my toothbrushes in here. Grab some Q-tips. Probably put the Q-tips in here. That's a nice little spot for them. Floss picks. Probably put them in here. And I'll put this razor here with the extra head there. And I got my beard stuff and ointment. I could probably stow this just in here with that and the combs and zip everything up. Everything fits very nice actually. And you got plenty of room for other stuff if you want to carry other stuff. Like I said, I don't even have this back pocket in use here, but it's nicely packed and it added like absolutely no thickness to the bag. It's still relatively flat, and I put everything that I had in my old bag, including that built-in toiletry accessory bag. I just dumped it in there, and it absolutely looks and feels and stows everything very nice and neatly and very compact form. This is absolutely fantastic, very nice quality toiletry bag from Ridge. One thing I forgot to mention is you do have that Ridge kind of carbon fiber badge there that all their like travel accessories have. Their luggage, their backpack has this as well. You can customize these now, so you can put like your initials or anything like that, so you can differentiate a case. A couple of you guys have similar toiletry bags, like you absolutely love it. You can go ahead and get a customized one on their website, I think. And you do have a little handle here. Boom, boom, boom. Very nice little handle. But there you have it, guys. This is Ridge Toiletry Bag. If you have any questions regarding this toiletry bag, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!